Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about best event management colleges, courses, eligibility for joining event management and much more. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So before we begin, we want to clarify a few things. Please watch the video till the end because half knowledge is very dangerous. So these are suggestions of some of the best reviewed colleges of event management in India. We don't want to point out at any college saying this is the best. We will give you best information about these colleges and courses. But it is totally advised to you to reconfirm this information with colleges and personally visit the colleges for better understanding. So in this video, we will cover these things: event management colleges in India, eligibility criteria, should you apply for diploma, degree, post-graduation diploma or MBA, do you really need a degree to make a career in event management, placements and job assistance, and one honest advice. So to start with event management colleges, let's talk about first one in the list, which is NIEM, National Institute of Event Management. Started in year 2000, it has been 20 years since NIM is providing education and placement assistance in event management. Now the reason why NIM is first in our list is because this institute has its branches in more than 15 cities of India. As you can see on the screen, starting from Mumbai, Pune, Ahmedabad, Kolhapur to Raipur, Jodhpur, Odisha, Delhi, Dehradun, Patna, Kolkata, Jaipur, Indore, Lucknow, Guwahati, Bhopal, Hyderabad, Jabalpur, and it offers courses in event management like Diploma in Event Management, Post-Graduation Diploma in Event Management, Post-Graduation Diploma in Advertising, Media and Events, and the duration of each course is 11 months. Second in the list is NAEMD, National Academy of Event Management and Development. It is said that NAEMD is the first institute in India to collaborate with universities, colleges and institutions who offers courses in event management. It has campuses in 4 cities of India, which includes Mumbai, Delhi, Ahmedabad and Jaipur. It provides diploma, undergraduate and PG courses as well, which includes courses like Bachelor of Management Studies in Events and PR, Diploma in Aspects of Media Marketing and Events, Diploma in Event Management and PR. Talking about postgraduate courses, it offers Masters in Event Management and PR and Post-Graduation Diploma in Media Marketing and Events. All diploma courses duration is 1 year and degree courses duration is 3 years and Masters courses duration is 2 years. Third in the list is EMDI. Started in 2002, EMDI has its campuses in cities like Mumbai and Bangalore. It offers courses like Diploma, Degree, Post-Graduation Diploma in Event Management. And it also has a course for Diploma in Wedding Planning. Diploma courses are of 1 year duration and degree courses are of a 3 year duration. And just like every event management institute, they also provide 100% assistance in job placements. Fourth in the list is IIEM Delhi, which is Impact Institution of Event Management. Founded in 2008, IIEM has emerged as leading event management institute in Delhi and NCR. And as the name suggests, it is based in Delhi and offers various courses like Diploma, Postgraduate Diploma, Degree and Masters in Event Management. And it also offers a short-term 6-month certified course in wedding planning. Fifth is NAME, which is National Academy of Media and Events. Started in 2014, NAME evolved as a rising need of event management focused institute in East India. It has its branches in Kolkata and Mumbai and offers courses like Professional Diploma and certified courses in event management and wedding planning. So now talking about eligibility criteria or requirements for joining these courses, all diploma courses can be applied after 12th grade or HSC. All degree courses can be applied same after 12th grade or HSC. and all postgraduate diploma courses and master's courses can be applied after graduation. Now it doesn't matter if you have completed your college or graduated in any stream. Let it be commerce, science, arts. You can apply for any event management courses in India from any stream of the study. Now, many of you must have this one doubt in your mind that whether you should apply for diploma or a degree course. And if you are a graduate, you must be confused between choosing postgraduate diploma or masters in event management. So choosing between these courses is really simple. If you are sure that you want to make your career in events no matter what, then you should definitely go for long-term courses which are degree and master's courses which are of 3 years and 2 years of duration. And if you are just interested and curious about event management and not really sure whether it's for you or not, you can go ahead for shorter courses of diploma or postgraduate diploma which are of only 1 year's duration and are not that expensive also. Do you really need a diploma certificate or a degree to make career in event management? The answer is no, because events industry relies on knowledge and experience of a person in the field. So no, you don't require any degree or any certificates to start career in event management. Placements and job assistance. Now most of these colleges and institutes promises 100% job placement assistance. But you should know what that means. It basically means that colleges will send you on practical trainings. You will work on different kind of events with different companies for those practical trainings. Colleges will give you exposure of the industry and companies will come to campus for interviews. And you will also get opportunities to give interviews in different event management companies. But cracking that interview and getting job is totally up to you. If we had to give you one advice, it would be if you have friends or contacts with people who are working in the event industry, you should try asking them to call you on their events for learning. This way you can get idea of how it is like to be in events industry. Then going ahead, you will make contacts in industry and no one will care to ask you for your degree if you have enough knowledge and experience in the industry. But also you will require to work on your personality and communication skills. But we are not suggesting that do not study and just dive into event management. If you don't have any contacts in event industry and really want to give event management a try, then try applying for diploma courses as it will save you time and money both. But before considering to join any of these colleges, you must do detailed research online, visit the college personally, take counseling session from the staff, check the fee structure as fees are not something which you will find online in most cases. So that was all guys. We will share links of every colleges in description box. And if you have any doubts or questions, drop it in the comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And until next time.